Hello, it's Baiano with Baiano Renault. Yeah, we're gonna repair some grout. The tires looks to be about 14-15 years old. We're gonna do it just to stabilize the tires because the way it is, the tire looks good. It's just losing up in some area. We don't want to replace the whole tire, whole grout. We're just gonna do some repair to last until we are ready to do a full renovation. Yes, is this a recording? Yeah, we're just gonna use a sanded grout. Once you look on the box, you can see the color of it is right there. Like usually the color is somewhere, sometime on top, sometime on the side. You can use something like this to load it if you're doing a bigger area. We could use one of these guys. Probably I just use this. This is just to press the grout inside between the tires. Soft because you don't want to, you want to press it in, but you don't want to damage the tire. And for this one, I'm just gonna use this small one, a small sponge, right? But you can use a bigger one if you're doing a bigger area. Let's get the job done. Okay, we're gonna mix. I'm just gonna use this bowl, any bowl. Once you clean it, wash it right away. It's no problem, you can reuse it. So I'm just gonna get a little bit of cold water, not too much because we don't need a lot of it. Just gonna use whatever we have, a spoon. If we're gonna make a big amount, I just use a drill and a bucket. But this one here, very much, I just gonna mix it up. I am use 2 spoons. This one is dry. I'm not gonna touch the water with it. Otherwise the grout would get wet and get hard. The one on the box, yeah. Yeah, we just look for the consistency that we'll be able to fill in the gaps. We need to do it kind of soft. That way it would penetrate a little bit better between the gaps. This is for a big area, this would be good, soft like this. For a smaller area, I'm just gonna make it a little bit more consistent. Just gonna put a little bit more grout. Yeah, I recommend use some gloves. This is the way I like it. A little bit harder. Should work pretty good. If you have some loose grout, just we remove it and we clean it. Like try to clean with some product that you can just remove some grease or some dirty that is there. And then remove as much as you can. Vacuum it, make sure it is clean, no loose grout. If you don't clean it properly, you're gonna lose it up. Just not gonna hold. We let it sit for about 5 to 10 minutes. Now we're just gonna mix it again. And make sure it is well mixed. I'm just gonna pour a little bit in there. If there's a little bit excess in there, it's no problem. Just like make sure this is gonna go in. I'm not pushing very hard because it's soft, it's just going. I'm just going firm on it. Just make sure we have it inside there. then we clean as much as we can for now. We wait a little bit until it's hard, then we come back again and clean it up. Make sure we have it all clean and nice. For now, I'm just gonna make it smooth, but I'm gonna come back later and once it's hardened, I come back later and clean it really good. And just use a sponge for now. So this is just to clean up the excess. This is just a quick repair, not a whole lot to it. And then once it's a little bit hard, I come and clean it up, the mess around. This around here is very easy to clean. Once this part is hard enough, I come back with a wet sponge and clean it off, and it looks like new. Just leave it sit probably for about close to an hour. Okay, here we are, just gonna clean this up. I'm just gonna use a white cloth because sometimes here would not make a difference because this is we just filling gaps, but if it's a new grout, a white one would not contaminate it, because sometimes you use different colors, it would contaminate the color of the grout. So this is why I like to use white, because white is neutral. I'm just gonna clean just like that. Like you can see here, this is what I just try to shine it a bit. I just want it done right away. Just not want to come back to it. You can leave it for a little bit longer, but I just want to get this part done because it's just a very small repair. Thank you for watching this video. Thank you for your support. You guys are great. We really appreciate it. I see you soon on the next video. Thank you very much. It's Baiano and Wolf from Baiano Reno. Give a thumbs up and thank you. See you soon. I'll see you next time. It will be soon.